mpaka zino mwe mubadde n'okubinkana Abasomesa bali bawangudde mpaka zino bojanga zitandikibwawo basatu ku bantu banywedde bannaabwe akendo olw'ebintu ebyenjawulo batadde mukulu okuva bwe bava mu Ireland. Bano kuliko Sister Gladys Kachope owa Immaculate Girls Rukungiri, Catherine Nabwiro wa Busia Integrated Primary School ne Santina omuwanakole Primary School Kotido. Bano baweereddwa ensimbi enkalu ne certificate ezibasiima.
Santana wins 1.5 cash prize plus 2.5 million.
Twayiza munamu kubawanguzi batutulirako kwe bawanguza.
There were some disabled children in Karamoja that they keep in the homes to talk with the parents through the help of the school management PTA to make them come to school.
We also help these girls, especially those who come back to school with the babies, who come back to school when they are pregnant, because the ministry put a policy of re-entry of the girl children back to school for those who might have dropped out.
Especially conserving the environment, the tukola nanka ni gates of kuvamu chupa bottles, so that we reduce the litter management within the school.
I've been able to empower girls. I have an organization, a community-based organization, where I'm paying school fees for girls who are vulnerable, and some of them are teenage mothers.
Basuubiza nti kino bakukitwala maaso n'okuyigiriza abasomesa bannaabwe okulaba nga tumbula ebyenjigiriza.
I want to double up my effort. And not only me, I will go and talk with my teachers. I feel all the teachers in Uganda should also work like that if we want to make Uganda a better place to live in.
Tuwa bweyamu eri New Vision Group tugenda kwongeramu okukola ate n'okusinga nga bwe tubadde.
Basiima bateeseteesa empaka zino olw'ekirowoozo kino kibagambye nti kibawadde omwaganya okusimibwa n'okusikiriza abasomesa bannaabwe okwongera amaanyi mu mulimu gwabwe.
I want to take this time to thank New Vision and all the partners who are supporting this activity. For without them, we may not do much. Even the world may not know that we have best teachers in the country.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.